What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
I was playing still brain ball on Roblox, and my dad came in. He didn't like the game. He thought it was stupid and just pulled out the HDMI code.
So we drove all the way up here from New Hampshire to come see you, and I'm like so excited that you can, and I'm God willing, you can fix this.
Don't worry. I got you.
Dog, ice, come here, boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Oi, oi, oi. We're gonna replace this whole HDMI now. It's a little bit dirty. It's okay. You can clean this. Surgery time. Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks nice and clean. Nice. Can I test it out?
Of course.
Oh, man, it's on that.
Yo, Joe, are you playing on builder mode? You got this thing working again? You lucky dog.
Show your skills.
I'm not that good.
It's okay.
Take your boy out. Come on now. Beavis and Butthead, come
We are testing. Make sure it's not working.
Ooh. Another one. I hear you talking smack, Joe.
Looks good?
Yeah, thank you.
You played good.